In the age of politics where political party hopping has become a common convention, expecting politicians to complete their manifesto assurances loyally is a little too outlandish. However, it is election season and Lok Sabha elections are just round the corner. This is a time to remind all the assurances that were made by the major political parties. Hello and welcome to Ground Zero on Herald TV. In their manifesto in 2019 Lok Sabha election, the Congress had made almost 52 assurances, some of which are bestowing the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes with their constitutional rights, jobs, electoral reforms and police reforms. Food security and rights of LGBTQA+ were prominently mentioned. Though the Congress did not gain power, there were several opportunities to place them before the government. Sadly, the Congress South Goa MP, besides claiming of spending all his MP-led funds for the people, hasn't spelled out his efforts for the above issues.
As MP, I भरपूर काम केल्लें आसा. लोक आमकां निवडून हाडटात, जे गोंयचे कितें प्रश्न आसात ते पार्लमेंटात दवर करपाक आनी आमकां कितें फंड जे मेळटात ते लोकां खातीर युटिलायज करपाक. हे दोन्ही वस्तू हांवें डिवोशन हांवें केल्ले आसा. म्हाका आमचे साउथ गोवा लोक वळखतात, देखून म्हाका फाटले 4 फावटी म्हाका निवडून दिल्लो आसा. हांव लोकांक आभारी, पूण I have not let them down.
India is a youthful country. A country with such a major percentage of youth has the capability to change not only its own but the fate of the entire world. These were the words of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the 2019 Lok Sabha election manifesto. Even after making a prominent mention of the youth of the country, the unemployment rate in India since 2018 has increased by over 2%. And how can we forget the agricultural reforms the BJP had assured in 2019 manifesto?
गेली 25 वर्सां आज जवळ 25 वर्सां पूर्ण जातली आणि प्रत्येक टर्माचो हिशोब लोकांक दिला आणि लोक खुश आहा म्हणून परत ताणें प्रत्येक फावटी आमकां निवडूनय दिला. ह्या वर्साचो अहवाल आमी लगेच प्रसिद्ध करतले, पण तो पर्यंत गांवां जे जाग्यार काम केलें हें लोकांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी तें उघडें आसा. आमी केन्ना केला करुणांनी केला अशें केन्नाच म्हणून आनी केल्या म्हणची ना. आणि जे हितून ह्या कोरोना काळात 2 वर्सां वचून सुद्दां उत्कृष्ट रित्या आमी मतदारसंघाचो विकास केल्लो आसा. The statue you see behind me is the statue of the first Chief Minister of Goa, Bhausaheb Bandodkar. Back in the days, politics in Goa was centric to the state, and there was not much that was being said and ordered from the center like today. But also in nowadays, as far as Lok Sabha election is concerned, the manifestos are mostly prepared by the central leadership to suit the Lok Sabha candidate and the central aspirations of the party who is fielding their candidates here. But there have been several persons who have been reacting while speaking to Herald TV regarding this. We will go ahead and listen to the persons' various opinions that we have got regarding what they expect from their Lok Sabha, their parliamentary representatives. There is the Lok Sabha MP who they elect every 5 years during these election periods.
हांगा बीजेपी आणि काँग्रेसान दोगांनी अशें मान्य केला, आमी कोण कॅन्डिडेट दिता ताका तुम्ही कंपल्सरीली वोट मारूकूच जाय अशें. असली परिस्थिती जाल्या आयज. इमॅजिन दे आर नॉट गेटिंग वन गुड कॅन्डिडेट ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ 5 years. ती जावं एक दोरयो पळय म्हणटा पार्टी काँग्रेस आणि कार्यकर्त्यांची पार्टी बीजेपी, हे दोगांय कडेन कॅन्डिडेट ना आयज पर्यंत. दे मे बी गिविंग मेनी रिजन्स.
माझो MP जो आसतलो फुडलो, तो म्हाका दिसता तेजे 2 मेजर रोल्स आसतले. एक स्टेटी खातीर रोल आसतलो, जो तो स्वता स्टेटींग रावन काम करतलो, आणि सेकंडली सेंटराक वचून तेजो दुसरो रोल आसतलो. आतां स्टेटीचे उलयता आसतना तेणें जे इश्यूज आसा पयलीं म्हणजे तेणें म्हाका दिसता म्हयन्यांतल्यान आपल्याक फावता तशें दर एक मतदारसंघान जे सावथ गोवाक जितली मतदारसंघां पडटात थंय सावथाचो MP आनी तसोच नॉर्थाक जितली पडटा तितले नॉर्थाच्या MPन बसोन एवरी तालुकाच्या लोकांक टायम दिवपाक पडटलो.
So are you all taking people for a ride or for a granted? Don't take people for granted because थोडे म्हणतात ना symbol is important for Lok Sabha. Symbol कितें symbol म्हळ्यार कमल ब्लाइंडली तुम्ही वोट मारताले, हात ब्लाइंडली तुम्ही वोट मारताले, वो खंयचे दुसरे कोण बसता इंडिपेंडंट तांकां ब्लाइंडली मारताले. अरे वी आर concerned citizens who have all the right to know the credibility, the background of a person who is contesting, taji credibility, tajo voice, whether he'll be able to raise his voice in the parliament and the issues of Goa, pertaining issues to Goa. He has to tell us खंयचे इश्यूज आसा आनी खंयचे मुद्द्यांचेर तो घेवन वतलो, कितें उलयतलो, जाल्यार सगळ्या परतून तीच स्टोरी जातली.
MPन फक्त पार्लमेंट पुरतो रावचो न्हू. MP जो आसा पळय थंयसरले जितले फंड्स, जितले एलोकेशन जाता, जितल्यो स्किम्स आसा त्यो ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करपाची गरज आसा. आनी द प्रोजेक्ट्स विच एवर इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर गोवन्स, सस्टेनेबल प्रोजेक्ट्स, एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली प्रोजेक्ट्स, हे प्रोजेक्ट्स डेफिनेटली वेलकम करपाक जाय आनी ह्यो गोष्टी तांच्यांनी डिस्कशन करपाक तांचें दिसता. ट्रायबल कम्युनिटीचे हो विशय जो आसा सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचो इश्यू आसा. 1,80,000 वोटर्स आसा हांगासर आनी वी हॅव बीन फायटींग फॉर पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 years and this is one of the major issue for the tribal community which need to be addressed in the parliament.
सध्याचे MP जाता तेंच्यांनी कांयच करिना
न्ही. सध्या एट प्रेझेंट MPन आमकां क्लियर कट सांगता एट प्रेझेंट MP जे आसा पळय दे आर फेल्ड टू पुट अप आवर इश्यूज इन दी पार्लमेंट. दे आर फेल्ड टू पुट अप आवर इश्यूज इन द पार्लमेंट. जावं तो ट्रायबल इश्यू, जावं तो कोलाचो इश्यू, जावं तो डबल ट्रॅकिंग इश्यू, जावं तो म्हादयचो इश्यू, दे हॅव फेल्ड टू एड्रेस दीस इश्यू अँड ब्रिंग द इश्यूज इन दी पार्लमेंट.
How Goan MPs have to take keen interest. They're just sleeping there. So they have to be actively involved, proactive, take up the issues of people, meet the people. They only come once in 5 years. When elections come, they'll come now, knocking the doors of everyone. But they've never come over the last 5 years to the people, ask them, what are the problems, what are the issues, how can I help you, how can I assist you. They should be doing this, it's their duty to do. But we never see them anywhere, wherever the people are protesting or they're coming out with the problems. There is no help coming from them. So what are they for? What are they wanting votes for? We should kick them out, such MPs who don't work.
हे सगळे जे पळय कॅन्डिडेट आसा न्ही तितले ओव्हरेज जाल्या आनी गोंयाच्यान दिल्लीक वचपाक थंय रावून काम करपाक म्हाका दिसना हे कॅन्डिडेटाच्यान जातलें म्हणून. लास्ट जेन्ना न्ही इलेक्शन येता तेन्ना ते बेबीशे भायर सरतात आनी आपूण हें करतलो तें करतलो. कोण म्हणटा रेड्याची घेरे करपाक ग्रावंड बांदून दितलो आनी कितें जायते प्रॉमीस केल्लें. कोणा 15 लाख येतले, 10 लाख येतले, हें येतलें तें येतलें, नोटबंदी केली, हेतून भितर आनी कितें केलें पूण जनतेक हेतून म्हाका दिसता कांयच फायदो जालो ना.
See, actually an MP is different from an MLA. An MLA is different from a councillor. And what we expect is sometimes the MP even to do the things that are supposed to be done by a councillor. We need to understand that an MP is somebody who will represent the state or part of the state in the parliament, and he has to take up issues which are being monitored by the centre. We have various issues that we see that though they are being implemented by the state government, they are being directed by the central government. And the Chief Minister of Goa, who is totally a servile man, who only does things which the center takes him to do, goes in the boat. Take for example the case of coal. People are suffering due to coal. They need to put good candidates so that we don't have to vote for the old ones, and we impress upon people that there is need for us to come together and vote strongly for the people who are put up as candidates.
Delegate जो पळय आहा न्ही तो निवडून येतकच MP जाता. MP जातकच तो दिल्ली वता पार्लमेंटात आनी पार्लमेंटान कितलीशीं सेशन जातात, 5 वर्सां खूब सेशन जातात आनी तातूंत भितर तरेच्यो स्किमी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट स्किमी ज्यो पळय आहा त्यो ती सँक्शन जाता हे पार्लमेंटान आनी त्यो पार्लमेंटान ज्यो पळय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम ज्यो पळय सँक्शन जातात त्यो एमपीची ड्युटी आपले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक त्यो स्किमी आहा त्यो येवन सांगपाच्यो आनी त्यो स्किमी तुमी अप्लाय करात आनी तांकां त्यो करून दिवपाच्यो. पूण हांगा कितें जाता, हांगा एक फावट तो एमपी निवडून आयलो की ना तो गोल वयर काडटा आनी आपणाचें काम फकत दिल्ली म्हणटा. दिल्ली वता घर येता, दिल्ली वता गोंय येता आनी मदीं कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक एमपीची पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहा जवळ 20 असेंब्ली सिटाची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी येदी व्हडली, तो ती निग्लेक्ट करता, तो ती लोकां म्हऱ्यान भोंवपाक वचत ना आनी त्यो स्किमी कितें आहा त्यो कांय सांगत ना.
आनी ह्यो 5 वर्सांचो तेजो टर्म आसता आनी 5 वर्सांक ते सुशेगाद आमचे गोंयचे सुशेगाद रावतात आनी 5 वर्सां जाली आपण पिपल्स कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून येतात. तर हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां, एक जो गोंयान इश्यू आसता, मेन इश्यू आमचो म्हादयचो आहा, मायनींग आहा, असले आतां इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन, हे पळय कन्वर्शन, हे इश्यू आमच्या वयर येयना. ते इश्यू काडपाक आमकां एक जो आमी आतां इलेक्शन हें जाल्ले कोणाय डिक्लेअर जाल्ले कोणाय जे आमचे इश्यू वतले तांकांच आमी इलेक्ट करून दिवपाचे, जे आमचो आवाज गोंयचो आवाज उठयतले पळय ते आनी आमच्या गोंयांक आमकां एक न्याय दितले पळय ते, ताका लागून आमकां इश्यू घेवपाक म्हणटा एमपी आमी इलेक्ट करून धाडटा, तांकां उगी बसपाक म्हणून धाडिना, आमी धाडटा तांकां आमची गोंया सांबाळपाक, गोंयचे कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसता पळय ते इश्यू वयर काडपाक, पूण ते ना करिना. येतल्या मनशांक आमकां इलेक्ट करून ना दिवचें.
2024 elections have been Lok Sabha election has been declared, and in a very little time the manifestos of various political parties are going to be announced. Is it going to be a national manifesto, or is it going to do something with the essence of Goa that has been missing out from various political party manifestos, the national political parties that if we must be specific? Is it going to be a good manifesto for the state, protecting the state's identity, protecting the interests of the locals? Is something that everybody, every voter, even the media houses, everybody is keeping a watch on. Nevertheless, the elections have been declared, and soon there will be a declaration of the manifestos of all the political parties. Everybody has an eye of how much Goa is included in the political manifesto that is announced for Goa. With camera person Upen Naik, this is Pratik Parab for Herald TV.